Today, we are going to explore how to access the front end and back end of your website using WordPress. Let's start by understanding the two URLs you will need. The first URL, which we will call your domain, is where you can access the front end of your website. For example, it might look like something www.yourdomain.com or, for example, livingwithoutregrets.co.in. If we enter this on Google, the front end of your website will look like this. Next, we have your domain slash wp-admin. This is the URL that will take you to the backend of your website, where you can access the WordPress dashboard. For instance, it could be yourdomain.co.in slash wp-login or wp-admin slash. To log into your website's backend, simply go to this URL in your web browser. You will be prompted to enter your username or email address and the password, which should have been shared with you via email. Once you have added your credentials, click on the login button. After logging in, you will see the WordPress dashboard, which will give you access to all the tools and settings you need to manage your website effectively. And that's it. You are now ready to navigate the backend of your WordPress website and start making changes as needed.